Number 17 is all about composite functions. So they define f of x as x squared plus 2, and they define g of x as negative 2x plus 1. So part A says, what's f of g of x? So that means that I would have f of g of x. So that means that I would have f of negative 2x plus 1, which would then, I would take all this information and plug it in for the x squared. So I'd have negative 2x plus 1 squared and then add 2. And then when you multiply this out in FOIL, you would get 4x squared minus 4x plus 3. Just raise all that, multiply by itself and then add 2. Okay, for the next one I'll do it in orange for you. So g of f of x is equal to g of f of x. So this means that f of x is inside of g of x. So I want g of an x squared plus 2. And then I take all this information and I plug it right there for the x. So I'd have negative 2 times an x squared plus 2, and then I would add 1. This would give me negative 2x squared, and then a negative 2 plus 1 would give me a minus 3. So that'd be the answer for that one. And last one in green, I want f of g of 4. So f of g of 4. Well, the first thing we could do is we could just get g of 4. And g of 4 would be negative 2 times a 4 and then plus 1, which just gives me negative 8 plus 1, which of course is negative 7. So if I just want now I want f of negative 7. So take the negative 7, plug it in, that'd give me negative 7 quantity squared, and then add 2, which would give me 49 plus 2, which would give me 51.